Hi everyone. So today we're going to practice identifying the different types of clinchers. On Wednesday you have a video and some practice sheets where you can work to identify the different types of clincher sentences. Remember that there are three different types. You have general, cluing, and specific, similar to your general, cluing, and specific topic sentences. So in order for you to identify your clincher sentences, you need to be familiar with the concluding transition. Those transitions are found in the transitions sheet that you have in your packet, or you can find a copy of in the class webpage. So here's the sheet, right? We worked on space, importance, chain link, and then at the very bottom you have your concluding transitions. Okay, so in your paragraph you can use chain link, and then the last sentence needs to include one of these transitions. Okay, and either one of your sheets will work as reference. So again, I can write a paragraph and I can use importance as my transitions, but the last sentence needs to include my concluding transitions. Okay, so I want to practice going over this with you so that then you can go on and do some on your own. So if you take a look on your screen, I have a paragraph here. What they want us to do is to draw one line under the clincher sentence and then circle the concluding transition word or phrase. So I want us to read the paragraph first, be able to identify your topic sentence, the type of transitions that are being used, and then we will be able to identify the concluding sentence, the clincher sentence. So it says most soft drinks are made of soda water, sugar, and flavorings. In 1772, the first soda water was made in England, although soda water didn't become popular until after the 1830s. Each 8-ounce glass of soft drink contains 8 teaspoons of sugar, and soft drinks can include lemon, cherry, grape, and lime flavorings. Now, the average American drinks 500 8-ounce glasses of soft drinks per year, according to the Department of Agriculture. As can be seen, soda water is a very popular drink in America today. So if you're not familiar with the soda water, what they're talking about are the different types of sodas that we have. Okay, and here are the different types of flavors. You have Dr. Pepper, Fanta, which is orange, Sprite is lemon, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and whatnot. Okay, so just wanted to give you those so you have some sort of visual for this paragraph. So here's my topic sentence. Most soft drinks are made of soda water, sugar, and flavorings. Well, I'm listing the details, therefore I must have a specific topic sentence. And then if I look closely, they go ahead and they use different transitions to introduce all of these details. In 1772, now is also a transition. So they want us to underline the clincher sentence. So if I take a look at the last sentence, this is my clincher sentence. As can be seen, soda water is a very popular drink in America today. So there is my clincher. But they also want me to circle the concluding transition. So I know the concluding transition begins the sentence. Here it is. I want to verify to make sure that's correct. So if I go into my concluding transitions worksheet, as you can see, is a concluding transition. So I can go back and I could circle my concluding transition. Okay. Let's take a look at number 2. It says people train for at least 4 years before they can become certified as teachers. Most importantly, in their classes, they learn how to teach students. Next in importance, they must learn their subject matter so they can transfer that knowledge to their students. Finally, they must know how to construct and grade papers and test and lead discussion classes. Thus, becoming a teacher takes determination, lots of hard work, and many years of training. So go back. People train for at least 4 years before they can become certified as teachers. Here I have the word for. That's a clue word. So this is a cluing topic sentence. Most importantly, next in important, and finally is a transition. So if we just go to our chart, just to verify, here we have importance transitions. So going back to the paragraph, thus, becoming a teacher takes determination, lots of hard work, and many years of training. I have determination, lots of hard work, and many years of training. So these are the details that were included in the paragraph. So this would be a specific clincher sentence. Again, they want me to underline my clincher sentence. And that's always the last sentence of my paragraph. And then they want me to circle the clincher, the concluding transition. So I have the word thus here. Before I circle that, I want to verify to make sure that's correct. So I take a look at my transitions chart, and I go down to the bottom, and I need to find that concluding transition. So here it is, thus. So that means in this paragraph, my concluding transition would be the word thus. So I can go ahead and circle that. Let's take a look at number 3. Some animals have special names when they are young. For example, a baby goat is known as a kid, while a baby sheep is known as a lamb. For other examples, baby frogs are tadpoles, baby dogs are puppies, and young cats are kittens. Young bears are called cubs. To conclude, many young animals have different names than their parents. Can you think of any more? So if I go back to the beginning, some animals have special names when they are young. This would be a general topic sentence. And then we have our chain link. For example, for other examples would be my transitions. To conclude, many young animals have different names than their parents. Can you think of any more? This is my clincher sentence. Again, it's found at the end of the paragraph. And I need to verify if I can recognize the concluding transition. So if I go back to my chart, here I have my concluding transitions. I need to find the transition that I used. So as you can see is here, as a result, finally, and whatnot. So if I go back to conclude, is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that. And if you're unfamiliar with what a baby goat is, I have a picture here for you. There's baby goat. And if you're unfamiliar with your tadpoles, this right here would be your tadpole, and as it grows, it becomes a frog. So here we are practicing the different types of clincher sentences that you can find in a paragraph.